Now let's start editing CMS. Click on CMS, slider, main slider. From here we can change all the main sliders. That is the main banner, store banner, vegetables. Wherever you have located the banners, you can change it from here. Just go on edit, give the banner title, select the image and just update the slider. Same way, feature slider type. Whatever feature sliders you have given, that is monthly essential, kitchen essential, whatever the sliders are, just click on edit, change their name and it's done. Feature extra sliders. Feature extra sliders. From here, you can change the extra sliders you have. There, if you want to add the slider, from here you can edit sliders. Just click on the pen tool. Change the title, size, images, and it's done. Now in case you want to add or change the pages, you can do it from here. Contact page, about us page, terms and condition, anything you want to edit or change, just click over here on the pen tool. Make the changes, save the changes, and it's done.